Hi, Angel. This is Janae, and I am on my second day of raw, of my raw diet, and your videos have been very inspirational because you're, you know, just starting out as well. And I agree, some of the benefits, all the benefits are amazing. I am so much stronger, clearer minded. I did have like some light headaches on yesterday and earlier today, but it was really good. Although I had that slight headache, I still felt better than I had been feeling. And that's weird, but it's the truth. And my workout was amazing. I This morning I felt so strong and so I feel lighter. Um, it's just I'm feeling really good. I'm very new to raw. Um, this is my first time trying it. But with all the videos that I have seen and everything, it's been very inspirational. And so I'm looking forward to better results, and I look forward to seeing your enjoying your journey in the raw as well. And I have subscribed to you, so I'll be tracking you. And keep it coming. It's very inspirational. Thank you.